Anyone with a smartphone is now a filmmaker and a photographer, and sharing creations on social media is now second nature. Say goodbye to shaky or blurry video footage with a pioneering new smartphone gyro stabilizer. The Snopper M1 with its 3-axis stabilizer was created to give any smartphone user the ability to master cinematography at an affordable cost, instead of investing in expensive professional filming equipment. Snopper M1 is the world's first 3-axis smartphone gimbal to work without motor arms or extra weight. Thanks to its advanced 3-axis stabilizing algorithm and its powerful electronic hardware, it can precisely detect the smartphone's position and control the built-in monitors to compensate arm movements and eliminate blurry videos. It is foldable and easy to carry. It has sleek, compact design, and with it, you can do multi-mode shooting. Flyby. Flyby is the world's first camera-equipped drone that tracks your head movements, streaming bird's-eye view right to your virtual reality goggles. You can share your aerial adventures with your friends and explore the skies together. The camera on the drone mirrors your head movements, allowing you to look around and explore from the skies. Sensors on the drone combined with cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology ensure that your flyby avoids physical contact with any objects, keeping your flying safe and easy. Share your aerial adventure with others through live video streaming via the Flyby VR app. Anyone can strap their smartphone into the virtual reality goggles and jump on board. This app is like an aerial version of Periscope. CAN-X. CAN-X is a portable charger with an AC outlet that allows you to literally plug and play with anything that needs power. The lightweight, sleek and portable design is the size of a small soda, and you can take it everywhere, in your car or in your purse. Even take it outdoors while camping and hiking. CAN-X eliminates the need to be stuck near a wall and provides the power for any electrical devices. You can charge your smartphone up to 10 times, a tablet up to 4 times, or give your laptop 2 full charges. To recharge the CAN-X, just plug it into a micro USB port, and about 2 hours later, it will be fully charged and ready to power your electronics. Branto. Branto is a full remote presence and security device. The most advanced smart home with full remote presence and security features. Introducing a wireless smart home system designed to be your home's mind and soul. Branto provides security, 360-degree vision, communication and control of your home devices when you're at home and away. It is compact, portable and stylish. It can offer full remote presence, video conferencing, security, audio streaming, smart appliances control, and infrared control.